Custom colors. Here we go. Here's some code that's going to draw this picture. We'll copy, and once again, we'll replace our draw function with that one. And when we run it, we get that nice picture there. Let's see what's going on. So we have provided a little function for you here called RGB string. It takes red, green, and blue values that are the components of an RGB color, red, green, blue color. And it returns that same string in a format that tkinter uses, which I would add is tkinter specific format, and you're not highly responsible for what's going here. It's just converting the numbers into hexadecimal, which is base 16, and prefacing them with a pound sign and making it a string. But in any case, you actually are allowed to copy paste this function. Of course, cite that you took it from the notes, and then just use it blithely. So you call RGB string, you give it the RGB values, and it'll give you back a color that tkinter can use. You can store that color in a well-named variable, and then use that color such as you would any other color. In this case, I can say the fill is pistachio, which is this color here, or I could say the fill is, say, maroon, which is this color here. Whoops, and if I can maybe not do all those M's, that'd be better. The fill is maroon. Excellent. Okay, so now the next question is, what are RGB values? Well, these are from 0 to 255, where 0 is full off and 255 is full on. So for example, red is no green, is full red, no green, no blue. And if I were to use red instead of pistachio, I do that. And for instance, half red would be that, and there you go, half red. Okay? So now, how did I find the color pistachio? For that, I used, of course, the internet, the keeper of all knowledge. RGB colors, and you go out there and you find them wherever you want. Here's color code charts. They're everywhere. This I just chose randomly. If I were to say find maroon, there's maroon. Is pistachio on here? Pistachio is not on this particular list, so you have to find different lists which have different colors. But for instance, let's just pick one. Purple is, okay? And purple, oh, who wants purple when you can have violet? And these are the RGB values of violet. So what you do is you find the color you want, you find the RGB values as integers, then you come here and you say violet equals RGB string of, pardon me, I'll copy that, I'll go here and paste it. And now I can use violet as a color. Instead of red, I'll make it violet. And when I run, there's my lovely violet. So now you know how to color match. As for determining the RGB values of something you see on the screen, for example, if I were to say like the map of the Bahamas, and I find, why did I say map? I wanted the flag of the Bahamas. And I find the flag, and I want to know what that color is. Well, you're going to have a tool that's specific to Windows or Macs or Linux. We'll post that to Piazza. In any case, once you have the RGB values, this is how you convert them into strings you can use.